raised to 4. Okay. So now you can cut it. 3 cut. So minus 5 raised to 4. It is already in the positive exponent. No need to change anything. Are you clear? Your answer will not be in. Now next one. Question number 4. Very important question. 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to 10 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. Since Bodmas rule is there, you know, first bracket you have to do first. Within bracket, what you have? Both the rational number having the same base, powers are different. So under one power we have to calculate minus 7 minus 10. So powers will be subtracted. When both the rational number having same base, we have to divide. So powers we have to subtract under over the one base multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. Now what is coming after calculations? 3 raised to minus 7 minus plus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, 3 raised to plus minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. So what is common now? What is the common? Common is base is common. In case of power is we have to multiply. Okay. Why the sign changed? You see minus minus plus. When this bracket is removed, plus. So minus 7 plus 10. What is the result? Minus 3. Now, plus 3. Plus 3. Now under one base, so 3 raised to 3 plus minus 5. Because plus means why plus? Because now we have to multiply. That's why both the power you have to add. But this one is negative, that's why I have kept in bracket. So that will be equals to 3 raised to plus minus minus. So minus 2. It is coming negative. Finally, we have to show in positive. How? 1 by 3 raised to 2. Very important. You see again. Both the number having same base, power we have to subtract. First power minus 10. This minus and this minus. This is the direction. So operation sign. It is the its own power sign. Okay. And this is separate part. Now you have to add minus plus minus 7 plus 10. Okay. And then 3 raised to 5. Just you have to write down. Now what is the result coming after plus minus? So it is coming 3. 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. So both the number having the same base, the power we have to add 3 plus minus 5. So 3 raised to minus 2. Okay. Then minus 2. Instruction is show the result in positive exponent. So we have to reciprocate the base 1 by 3 raised to 2. Understood? Very important question. Now here 2 raised to minus 3 into 7 raised to minus 3. What is the similarity? Power is same in the distributive form. So what we will do when 2 or more numbers having the same power, base are different, we can non-distributive form. We can write down 2 into minus 7. I cannot write down minus 7 here. Two bracket simultaneously we cannot use. So you have to take another bracket, curly bracket. Then minus 7 raised to minus 3. Got it? Both the numbers sign. So now after that, what I am getting? 2 7 are 14, minus 14. Minus 14 raised to minus 3. But our instruction you have to show the result in positive. So that means minus 1 by 14 raised to positive 3. Understood? So minus 3, when you have to convert into positive 3, then minus 14 you have to write down minus 1 by 14. Minus sign always will be the numerator. Okay. Then minus 1 by 14 raised to 3. Got it? Very simple, very interesting. So this is about the question number 2. Now coming to question number 3. Question number 3. What is the instruction first? Find the value. Find the value, simplify or find. All are meaning same. You have to write down the answer in number form. Okay. So now what is the answer? Part 1. 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to 2. What I said, any number raised to the power of 0. What is the answer? 1. So I can write down 3 raised to 0 means 1 plus. Is there any rules? No. Only the you have to simplify the number. It is a negative power. When you make it positive, it will be 1 by 4 raised to 1. 1, no need to write down. If it is more than 1, I will write down this. Have understood this part? Only you have to reciprocate the base. Then it will be 1 by 4 raised under power positive 1. No need to write down 1. If it is more than 1, you must write down the power. Okay. Now 2 raised to 2. Now what to do here? We have to perform LCM. So it will be 1 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2. So it will be what? 5 by 4 into 2 to the 4. 4 4 cut. It will be 5 only. Answer. Have understood? This one? Well, I am getting the answer in number form. I will give you so many questions, interesting questions on the basis of this laws only, whatever I have told you. If you are doing it, so your mental power will be boosted. Okay? Number 2. 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1. This divided by 2 raised to minus 2, not 3. Minus 2. What will you do? So nothing you can do. Only you have to make it positive. 1 by 2, 1 by 4 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. What is coming? 1 by 8 raised to divided by 2 raised to minus 2. This is very interesting section. Now what will do? Its base is 2 or its base is 8. How can I write down this one? I can write down this also. 8 raised to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Have you understood? When 1 by 8 is reciprocated, the power will be what? Sorry, 3. We cannot write down here. Minus 1. Okay? Or you can write, listen, I am making a simplified form. So 8, how can I write down 8? 2 raised to 3. Okay? For your requirement, you have to factorize the number. What number you have to write down in power form? This. Now, you have to reciprocate the base. Okay? Not in that form. So 2 raised to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Now it is coming in form. Okay? So number is coming in. Both the number having the same base, 2. Power we have to subtract. So that means 2 into minus 3 minus 2. Minus is for division instruction and minus 2 is power. Okay, so then 2 raised to minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Answer. Very interesting question. Again, I am showing you 1 by 2 raised to minus 1 can be written in 1 by 2. 4 raised to minus 1 can be written this. Now after that 1 by 8 I am getting, and this part just I am writing. Now 8 I have to write in power form. Class 7 you have done, you have to factorize the 8. How many? 2. If I multiply it 3 times itself, it comes to 8. So that means 2 raised to 3. Now this 2 raised to 3 I am writing in numerator form. So if we reciprocate, power will be negative, and then divided by 2 raised to minus 2, what we have. Now base is same, base is same, 2, and you have to divide it, then power must be subtracted. So 2 raised to minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. Minus plus 2 raised to minus 3 plus 2, or 2 raised to minus 1. But instruction, we have to find out the resulting number. So you have to write down 1 by 2. Positive, make it positive and then number. Okay? Very interesting question. Now, question number 3. 1 by 2 raised to minus 2, plus 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. Is there any loss is there when the number in the positive plus minus form? No. Then what to do? We have to simplify individually. So what to do here? Negative power, I can make it positive. How? By reciprocating the base 2 raised to 2. Any problem? When you reciprocate the base 1 by 2, the negative power will be positive. Plus here also 3 raised to minus 3 raised to 2. Here also plus 4 raised to 2. Now expand the number. 2 raised to 2 means 4. 3 raised to 2 times, that is 9. 4 raised to 2 means 16. 4, you have to write down 2 times. 4 into 4, not 4 twos are. Don't do this type of mistake. I am repeating it here. 3 raised to 2 means 3 twos are. This concept is wrong. 3 into 3. 3 twos are 9. 4 raised to 2 means 4 into 4. That is 16. After that, I am getting how much? 29 is the answer. Okay? Any doubt? No. This side. Question number 4. 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 raised to 0. I can write down the answer in one line. When whole number raised to the power of 0, answer is 1. But we will not do here. Since some sort of numbers also there, it requires some calculation also. You show this calculation. But result will be 1 since overall power is 0. Okay. But you show the result. So how can I write down here? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 raised to 0. Okay. What is the LCM? 3, 4, 5. What is the product? 60. So it will be 20 plus 15 plus 12 raised to 0. So after adding, I am getting what? 3547 by 60 raised to 0. That will be equals to 1. If someone is writing that equals to 1, I cannot cut, but I like to see some sort of calculation here. Any number raised to the power 0, as per laws, I know it will come 1. So in second line, if you want, no problem, but you show some sort of calculation. Okay. Now 5. Second bracket, this minus 2 by 3 raised to minus 2. So this is the double power. Okay. This 2 power, what to do? I have to multiply under one base. 2 to the 4 minus 4. After that, negative, we have to make it positive. So minus 3 by 2, reciprocate the base, raised to 4. That means we have to write down minus 3 by 2 times. If you are facing problem, you can write down also. 3 is a 9, minus minus plus. 2 is a 4. This is the final answer. Clear? So question number 3 is over, and rest what we have done. Question number 4. Nothing is here. You have to apply the laws. You have done so many this type of question in class 7. I will suggest you, if you have the class 7 book, you can also solve that questions. Okay, whatever we have learned in class 7, that question also very important. Only difference is that in class 7 there was no negative exponent, but here you will get maximum negative exponent. Okay. Question number 1. 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 by 2 raised to minus 4. So whenever you are getting this number, you can expand and then cut the result, but better is that you have to apply the law. Okay. So 8 can be written in what way? 2 raised to 3 multiplied by minus 1. 2 raised to 3, 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 8 can, why I am doing it? Because in the bottom denominator we have another 2. So that we can relate the numerator and denominator. Okay? And multiplied by 5 raised to 3. Overall 2 raised to minus 4. What will we do now? So it will be 2 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to minus 3. Okay? By 2 raised to minus 4. You can apply both the laws. Here we have to divide, okay, or you can multiply as usual under one power. Clear? 3. So better is that you simplify these two one. So these two number having the same base, divide means numerator denominator form means division form. We have to subtract the power. 2 raised to minus 3 is there in the numerator, minus in here we have the minus 4. So this minus is for in division case. These two are in the division form and the power is minus. Multiplied by 5 raised to 3. If someone is multiplying these two, because one of the distributive law, when power is same, base can multiply, that is also correct. Okay. So 2 raised to minus 3 plus 4 into 5 raised to minus 3. What is coming? 2 raised to plus minus 1. No need to write down 1 into 5 raised to minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3. I told you negative form will not give. Simplify, find the value, evaluate. We have to write down in number. So it will be 2 into 1 by 5 raised to 3. That means 2 into 1 by 5. 5 raised to 3. If I multiply 5 3 times, it will come 125. 125. So finally the answer 2 by 1, 2, 5. If you have any problem, you just go through it. First, you have to split the number in factor form. That you have done, and after that I am getting what? Both the number numerator denominator having the same base. So power will be have to subtract. First power minus second power. Dono minus minus plus, and just have written here. After that, if I find the solution of this 2 power, it is coming positive 1. No need to write down. And finally this. So since instruction is find the value or evaluate, so what we will do, this number you have to write down in a positive form. 1 by 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 means what? 5 3 times multiply. So it will be 125. Finally result 2 by 125. Understood? Now our next question, evaluate. Find the value of x. This question you have to practice a lot. This is very simple type of question given, but when you finish this exercise, I will give you a little complex type of question. You have to be very sound in this calculation. Class 9th, you cannot imagine what type of question will be there. If you are not following the formula, if you are not following the laws, you cannot solve any problem. Sometimes you have to develop common sense also. Where you have to split, where to group, where you have to show the power in different forms. That is up to you. Okay. Question number 5. Find the value of m. Find the value, find m. Just I write down. Find the value of m. Where we have 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3, that equals to 5 raised to 5. 5 raised to 5. Okay. So now what rule you have to apply here? Implies to 5 raised to m minus 3. Both the number having the same base, the power you have to subtract first power minus second power. That is equals to 5 raised to 5. Now 5 and 5. Don't write 55. Sometimes this type problem also I have seen. Base should be little bigger font and power should be little small font. Okay. So 5 raised to m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to 1. Now in both the number having the same base. Okay. So we can equate their power. Is equal to sign is there. Their power also same. Therefore, by equating the power of both the expressions, 5 plus 3 should be equals to 5. About it, both the number have the same base, equal to sign is there, their power also the same. Therefore, first power will be equal to second power. That is by equating the power of both sides. It's called by equating the power of both sides. You can write down by equating the powers of both sides. You can write down here, or if you are not writing, no problem. So what we have, or m will be 5 minus this simple equation, or m equals to 2. Very simple type of equation will form. Okay. So I will give little complex type. So this question is not for you. It is very simple type of example is given. You have to be ready for extra question. Otherwise, your mind will not expand. Okay. Now evaluate. Evaluate. Find the value. Simplify. All are meaning same. So number 1. 1 by 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to minus 1 overall minus 1. Find the value. That means answer should be in number. So what can I do? In minus form, nothing can be done when the power is same or base is same. Nothing can be done. Only thing is that you have to make it positive. So it will be 3 only, 3 raised to 1, positive 1, no need to write down 1, minus 4 raised to 1 means 4, then minus 1. What is coming here? Minus 1 raised to minus 1. So if I make it positive, it will be still minus 1 answer. Minus 1 by minus 1 raised to positive 1. So answer, you can write down this way also. If you are facing problem, that is minus 1 only. Or directly you can write down here. So answer is minus 1. Understood? So if anyone having problem, you can talk to me over WhatsApp. Okay? I am ready for you till 11 o'clock at night. I will be answering your question or doubt. So 5 by 8. 5 by 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to minus 4. So is there any similarity here? 8 by 5, 5 by 8. Yes? Only one to make any similar form. What to do? Either this one or that one. You just reciprocate. Make it positive power. So it will be 8 by 5 raised to minus 7. We will convert into plus 7. Why I am doing it? Because I have to find out the similarity. I have to apply at least one law. Now both the number having the same base. What to do? Under one base, power will be added. 7 plus minus 3 or 8 by 5 raised to plus minus 3 or numbers. Evaluate. Instruction is evaluate. So 8 by 5, 8 by 5, 8 by 5. 8 8 ja 64, 64, 64 8 ja 512 by 125. Answer. Okay. Now we have the last questions. That is question number 7, simplification. So this question, almost this type of question you have done in class 7. Nothing is so different. Only difference is that in class 7 there was no negative exponent. Here negative exponent is there, and you have to solve this question using laws of exponent. Okay, let's see. Question number 7, 1. 25 into t raised to minus 4 by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8, where t not equal to 0. You have to consider that t is more than 0. That is one. Okay. So what to do? In this question, basically we have to do what? None of the number will be in a composite form. We have to break down into prime factors. After that, numerator and denominator. So they are having the relation of division. So their power will be subtracted. At the end, whatever is the remainder, that is the result of this simplification. So I can write down 25 as 5 square. 5 5 is 25 multiplied by t raised to minus 4 by 5 raised to minus 3. 10 can be written 2 into 5 and t raised to minus 8. Okay. Now 5 is there, 5 also here, 5 also here. So in this, between these two, the relation is division, also division, and t also having division. Only 2 is left out. We have to leave it as it is. So 5 raised to 2 positive. When this number is coming here in division form, it will be minus, and this number already minus, and power of this 5 is what? I can write down 1, imagine 1, that means minus 1, and multiplied by t raised to minus 4 already is there, and this minus 4 when you are shifting on numerator, minus 8. Because these two are division, that's why minus, and this minus is the sign of this exponent. Okay, overall by 2. Clear? By 2. Next is what to do? 5 raised to 2 plus 3 minus 1 into t raised to minus 4 minus minus plus 8 by 2. Okay, so what is the result? Orally you calculate 5 plus 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1, 4, 5 raised to 4 into, so plus minus t raised to 4 by 2. So finally you see one of the rule when distributive form is there, distributive power of these two number is same. Okay, and then what to do? In case of multiplication, you have to multiply the base under 1 power. Okay, so that is 5. So 5t raised to 4 by 2. This is the final answer. Have you understood? Now next is question number 2. 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. So what I told, all the numbers you have to break down into prime factors. None of the number even in composite factor. After that, you will apply the laws of exponent. So here 10 can be written 2 into 5, and then power minus 5 will be on 2 and also on 5. 125 can be written 5 raised to 3, 5 cube, and 6 can be written 2 into 3. So 2 raised to minus 5, 3 raised to minus 5. That minus 5 will be on both. So I can do in one step, or you can extend the step. Okay, for your convenience, I am just extending. So this can be written 2 into 5 raised to minus 5. Now this minus 5 is on 2 and 5 both. It is in a which form? Non-distributive form. I have to distribute it afterward. Now here 5 can be written 5 raised to 125 can be written 5 raised to 3. Now here 5 raised to minus 7 into 2 into 3 raised to minus 5. Clear? Now distribute form you follow. 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3. Here 5 raised to minus 7 into 2 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. After that, if you see numerator and denominator having the same factor, you can cancel. 3 raised to minus 5 and 3 raised to minus 5 cancel. 2 raised to minus 5 and 2 raised to minus 5 cancel. Now what is left out? So 5, this 2 5 will be in the multiplication form, and this 5 will be in the division form. So I can write down 5 raised to minus 5 into power will be positive here, plus 3, and this minus division form, so it will be minus and integer minus 7. Simplify this one. 5 raised to minus 5 plus 3 plus 7, minus minus plus. So 5 raised to what is the result? 3 plus 7, 10. 10 minus 5 is the 5. 5 raised to 5. So you can leave up to this much. So these all are from your textbook questions. I have already solved your problem. Okay. Now I told you I'll be doing some extra question. Though I will upload this file, so I'm solving some question as much as possible. And if I'm not, then remaining part you will do at home. Okay. So extra questions based on this exponent. Okay. I will upload it afterward, but all questions are not for your level. Most of the questions for class 9 you will not do it, and if you are interested to do it, you can do it, but I will suggest the type of question I am revising extra. Question number 1. So all we have to simplify using laws of exponent. So what is this? Exponential. Simplify the following instruction. Simplify the following and show the result in exponential form. Show in exponential form. Exponential form. Okay. So some of the questions we have to show in exponential form. So here, question number 1, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Which laws is here? It is in a distributive form. Power is same, base different. So I can write down under 1 power 2 into 3 raised to 3. That is equals to 6 raised to 3. Answer. Very simple. You have to apply the laws and you have to find out. Sometimes you have same children write on this one 2 3 times and 3 3 times. After that they are multiplying. Instruction you have to see. Your result will be in the exponential form. You have to follow this guideline. Okay. Number 2. One rational number form is there. 4 by 5 raised to 5 into 5 by 6 raised to 5. Same. Power is same. Base different. It is in a distributive form. So I can write down both the base under 1 power. 4 by 5. Multiplication is there. Multiplication. Division is there. Then division. 5 by 6 raised to 5. 5 5 cancel. 2 3. So it is coming 2 by 3 raised to 5. Any doubt? You will just follow my word. You will practice at home and note down whatever I am doing on the board in your fair notebook. So that will help you in annual exam. And this file definitely upload. Whatever the questions along with solution also I am giving you. So whatever the questions I am doing it for exam, also you will get ready for this, because this will be the syllabus in your syllabus for half yearly exam. Okay, so definitely it will come. Now, so the result, another one, exponential form, 3 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 8 raised to overall 4 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 4. 3 raised to minus 4. So stepwise we will solve. Okay, don't be confused. What is this? This two number having a division form. Okay, then what we do? 3 raised to 6 minus 8 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 4. Your result will be in exponential form. Okay, so then what is the result? Minus 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to minus 4. So now double power is there. So 3 raised to minus 8 into 3 raised to minus 4. So again base is same, power different. So under one base we have to write down minus 8 plus minus 4. So 3 raised to minus 8 minus 4. So 3 raised to minus 12. Okay, but it is a negative. So when any negative exponent is coming, it is your duty show the result in always positive. What I told you regarding positive exponent, when negative part is there, just reciprocate the base. You have to inverse the base. That means 1 by 3 raised to 12. This is the answer. You have to show the result like this way. Follow the step. First you have performed this one using laws. Division form is there. 6 minus power is subtracted. coming minus 2. This part I am just writing. So minus 2. This is a double power, minus 2 and 4. 2 4 is 8, minus 8. Just multiply it. And you see the base is same, the power will be added. Minus 8 plus minus 4. Remove the, simplify the sign. Minus 8, minus 4. It is coming minus 12. Okay. Then show in positive form 1 by 3 raised to 12. Okay. Now next is find the value. Okay. Find the value. Find the value. Question number 4. Find the value. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Okay. If minus 2 raised to k plus 1 into minus 2 raised to 3 equals to minus 2 raised to 7. Follow it nicely. All are having in the minus form. So simplify this one left hand side. So minus 2 raised to k plus 1 plus this one is the 3. So you have to write down all part. So 3 that equals to minus 2 raised to 7. So what is coming at the end? Minus 2 raised to k plus 4 that equals to minus 2 raised to 7. Both side, both hand side, left hand side and right hand side, both side, the base is same by equating the power. So you will write down by equating the power both side. So therefore, k plus 4 should be equals to 7. Both side power is base is same, equal to sign is there, their power must be same. In at the side you can write down by equating the power both side. So it is coming this, or k equals to 7 minus 4, or k equals to minus 3. So answer k value is 3. So this type of questions, so many questions are there. Next day definitely I will be solving this type of question. Okay, today up to this much I will upload this question, and next day I will try to solve little more question based on this exponent and power. Okay, till then, bye bye students.